Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best MFT table is probably one of the most versatile furniture pieces you can have, seamlessly transforming from a dining table to a workspace or even a crafting station, adapting to your ever-changing needs. This video will dive deep into what makes a great MFT table, helping you find the perfect one to maximize your space and enhance your daily life, whether you're a busy professional, a creative hobbyist, or simply someone who appreciates adaptable and stylish furniture. Number 5. Festool MFT 3 KAPEX Table. This table is perfectly sized for your KAPEX sliding miter saw. Its lightweight design makes it easy to move and store, wherever your project takes you. At just 42 pounds, it's incredibly easy to transport. Plus, the folding legs allow for 2 different working positions to suit your needs. It's built to last with robust, high-quality materials. You can count on it for years of reliable service. The slip-resistant feet keep it steady during use and protect your floors. It's designed for stability and precision. Use it with Festool clamps to securely hold your workpiece for routing, sanding, or sawing. It adapts to your every need. This table seamlessly integrates with your existing Festool tools and accessories, enhancing your workflow and efficiency. What we like. It's perfectly designed for your KAPEX saw, making your workflow smooth and efficient. Its lightweight design makes it easy to transport to any job site. If you need a portable and versatile solution for precise cuts, this is the one for you. What people say. The sizing is right. It's sturdy. One of the 4 legs has an easy-to-adjust height adjustment so that the table won't rock. Most importantly, and not mentioned in any of their literature, is the fact that the other MFT3 tables are built at a height that matches the wood height of the KAPEX saw. So in effect you're getting a miter saw extension when you combine the two. Its height is chosen at 790 mm because it brings the surface of the KAPEX which the workpiece rests on exactly to the height of 900 mm. This is a smart work area design idea. Due to this standardized height, you can, 1. Set your KAPEX on top of an MFT3 KAPEX stand and use a full-size MFT3 table next to it to support your long workpiece. Your workpiece will lie flat on the KAPEX saw and on MFT3 since both surfaces will be at the same level. 2. You can install 4 97514 Festool right and left extensions for KAPEX base on a KAPEX saw installed on MFT3 KAPEX or on a mobile stand. The height of the legs of the KAPEX extensions puts them at the same standard height of 900 mm, so everything works together wonderfully. Number 4. USA MFT3 Replacement Top. Upgrade your MFT3 multifunction table with this premium replacement top. It's made in America from durable, moisture-resistant MDF, ensuring years of reliable use. This top is manufactured on an enterprise-grade CNC machine right here in the USA. It's guaranteed to exceed original manufacturer's tolerances for a perfect fit. Enjoy double the workspace. Simply flip it over when one side is worn, extending its lifespan and saving you money. Installation is a breeze. Just remove 4 Allen screws and replace your old top. The anchoring nuts are already installed for you. It's designed to perfectly fit your original MFT3 dogs. Please note that it may not fit other brands' dogs due to size differences. Check the product images for details. Combine multiple tops to create a larger, customized workspace. Save thousands by building your own expansive platform. It arrives safely packaged to prevent damage during shipping. You'll receive it in perfect condition, ready to install. What we like. This top is manufactured with pride in the USA using high-quality materials. It's double-sided, offering twice the lifespan. If you're looking for a durable and cost-effective replacement or an upgrade for your existing MFT, this is perfect for you. What people say. This build is a combination of table saw cover to prevent rust and damage to the saw top using felt on the bottom and a MFT top. I have dual-duty in-feed and out-feed tables that have differing levels depending on whether the cover is on the table saw too. That gives me 16 foot of level layout space for my track saw to cut plywood sheets if needed. This replaced my original Festool top perfectly for less money. Seems just as precise and sturdy as the original. I have 20 mm dogs and accessories from a number of companies and all fit perfectly. The board was well protected and arrived with crisp, sharp edges. Number 3. Festool MFT 3 Multifunction Table. It's lightweight and compact, making it easy to transport to any job site. You can take it anywhere your work takes you. Achieve accurate and repeatable cuts every time using it with a guide rail and plunge saw or router. Your cuts will always be perfect. Clamping is a breeze thanks to the uniform holes and compatibility with Festool clamps. It speeds up your workflow significantly. Use it at full height with the legs extended, or fold the legs and set it on the floor. It adapts to your needs and workspace. This is the ultimate multifunctional table for any professional. It's versatile, portable, and built for precision. What we like. Its compact size and lightweight design make it ideal for taking to any job site. It ensures accurate and repeatable cuts every time. If you value precision and portability in your work, this is the table for you. What people say. It is very sturdy for what I will use it for, such as cross-cutting wide panels and holding pieces that I will sand or cut domino slots into. The most important thing is to make absolutely certain the guide rail is square to the fence on the back. Once you do this, your crosscuts will be perfect every time. When it arrived I put it together pretty well ignoring the instructions and really liked the leveling, the solidness of the tabletop and really liked the T-track around the edge. Number 2. Festool MFT 3 Basic. Introducing the ultimate work surface for any project. It's compact and lightweight, perfect for the shop or job site. Its perforated top provides a perfectly flat and stable surface. Ideal for gluing, clamping, painting, and more. It seamlessly integrates with Festool clamping accessories. This makes it incredibly versatile as a clamping station. This table offers superb versatility for a wide range of tasks and projects. It's a true multifunctional workhorse. Slip-resistant feet keep it firmly in place, eliminating any unwanted movement. Enjoy a stable and secure work surface every time. Its compact and lightweight design makes transportation a breeze. Take it anywhere your work takes you. What we like. It provides a perfectly flat and stable work surface for a wide variety of tasks. It integrates seamlessly with Festool's clamping system. If you need a versatile and stable work surface for various tasks, this is your best option. What people say. I have had the full MFT3 for several years and I love it. I have also added several tops to my collection that I can prop up on sawhorses. After a few years I finally added another MFT to my shop and I do not know how I ever got along without it. Everything, to my surprise, arrived in great condition and I could not be happier. This is my second purchase of the MFT. The first proved so helpful I felt I needed a second one. Great bench. If you already have a MFT and don't need the rail and protractor, this model will save you about $100. Number 1. Festool MFT KAPEX Table. This is the Festool MFT KAPEX multifunction table, perfectly sized for your KAPEX sliding miter saw. It's lightweight and easy to move, making it perfect for any job site. At just 42 pounds, it's easy to transport and store. Its folding legs allow for 2 different working positions, adapting to your needs. It's built with robust, durable materials for a long service life. You can count on it to stand up to the rigors of daily use. Use it as a stable base frame for your KAPEX saw. This ensures accurate and consistent cuts every time. Remember, you'll need the SCKS clamping kit to securely attach your saw. This ensures a safe and stable working environment. This table offers versatility and efficiency, improving your workflow. It's a valuable addition to any workshop. What we like. It's specially designed to work seamlessly with the KAPEX saw. Its lightweight design makes storage and transport a breeze. If you're looking for a robust and durable solution for your KAPEX, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Solid quality from Festool as always. Bought as mobile tool-based work table. I use several Festool tools. Multifunction table for KAPEX. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.